If you're trying to choose between Onepage and Base44, the real question is simple. Do you want something fast and minimal, or something more structured for building full pages? OnePage is designed for speed. It's a simple tool that lets you create a clean single-page website or landing page without much setup. In a real workflow, people use it for quick launches, personal links, simple sales pages, or testing ideas. There's usually a free version or basic access depending on how you use it, and paid plans sit in the budget to mid-range category, mainly for custom domains and extra features. That makes it easy to start and even make money quickly, especially if you're selling a product or service with a simple page. But it does have a downside. Because it's so minimal, you don't get deep customization or advanced features, so as your project grows, it can start to feel limiting. Base44 is more structured. It focuses on building more complete pages or systems, often with better organization and flexibility for scaling. In real workflows, it's used for more serious landing pages, funnels, or projects that need more control over layout and content. Pricing is less clearly public in some cases, but it generally sits in the mid-range depending on features and usage. It may offer trial or limited access, but full functionality usually comes with a paid plan. That makes it better for people who want to build something long-term and more professional. But I found some downsides. It takes more time to learn and set up, so beginners who just want something quick may feel slowed down. So, in practice, OnePage is best if you want to launch fast, test ideas, or create simple pages and start earning quickly. Base44 is better if you're building something more structured and plan to grow it over time. They do compete, but they also serve different stages. OnePage is for speed and simplicity, Base44 is for structure and scaling. If this helped you decide, drop a like, subscribe for more simple comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.